Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and enjoying the days. Friends, today one of my subscriber wanted to know how to make lentils, a simple lentils just with whatever vegetables you have. So here I had only carrots, so I'm just going to put carrots and the rest will start in our kitchen. So these are the lentils. These are the Mexican lentils which I got from Walmart, and it looks like this. It's just like normal tur dal. So these are the normal lentils. We'll make a sambar out of it now. Wash it 3 or 4 times well so that you don't see any pebbles. Of course, of here you don't find any much pebbles actually. Once in a while it's so rare that you find pebbles. So now I'm chopping one carrot inside this lentils, and that will become a nice soupy lentils, soupy dal. So now I'm taking one tomato here and chopping it into 4 pieces. So here I'm adding 1 spoon of salt. So I'm adding 2 cups of water also. So I'm just closing the lid of the instant pot. I'll just set it up to the pressure mode, and I'll see that the vent is closed. Now I'm pressure cooking it, not for 20 minutes. This lentils gets cooked very quickly, so I'll just keep it for 9 minutes. So here the lentils are cooked. We'll just unplug them now. So here I'm just going to put some garlic pods too, like 4 or 5. So now I'm going to chop a onion and just saute it. So I'm going to add 2 or 3 spoons of oil. 3, 4. That's more than enough. Here I'm adding 1 spoon of mustard seeds oil. Mustard seeds, sorry. So the mustard seeds are popping now. Now I'll slowly add the onions and garlic. I'm adding some cumin seeds now, just for flavoring. So we'll just saute it for 3 or 4 minutes. So here we are venting out the air from the instant pot. So here the lentils have got cooked well. So we'll just stir it and we'll try to make some seasoning. Oh, it got cooked so well. See, the tomatoes just got crushed by itself. So here it got sauteed. We'll add the spices because we had only added salt in the lentils. So we are adding turmeric over here. Here I'm adding 1 spoon of chili powder, paprika powder. So I've added a pinch of black pepper too. I'll just add 1 spoon of red hot sauce, wing sauce, so that it gives little good spiciness. More than enough. Adding a handful of cilantro. So here we are adding some water because that's more than enough. Got cooked so well. Now we'll add the mixture which we made here, has a spice mix of here. So this is the seasoning. It looks so good. Just stir it up once. Oh, it looks so good. You can add more water if it is looking thick to you guys. You can have your own consistency. So here I've added it. All the spices go inside. Oh, it looks so good. Smells so good. Oh, look at it, friends. See the color with lentils and carrots and garlic. So here I've made rice, hot rice, and over here the lentils. I'll just pour it over hot rice. This will be a yummy lunch. Oh, so delicious. Enjoy the first bite. Here are the carrots. Here's the rice and lentils. Yum. So it was so easy to do this lentils, and in an instant pot it hardly took so little time, and this is a quick fix when you don't have anything else and you want to either drink it like a soup. You can have this with croutons, you can have this with rolls, you can just drink like soup and put some puffed rice also in this, and It's fully loaded with proteins, because whenever anybody says proteins, and some people don't eat meat and all the non-veg things like chicken and all, so this is a great option. And this is a light, it just digests within 3 or 4 hours and you will be hungry again. So this is the best for evening, and you can even put some cheese and all if you're giving to your kiddos. So it was so yum. When I was editing also, I finished eating my dinner a long time, but when I was editing, I said, "Oh, I'm feeling hungry again." So I felt like eating, and my mouth was watering. So if you have liked it, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Have a great day.